Welcome back to Fixin' Fab Garage. Ow!
Okay, folks. So today, the mission. We got 2019 Tucson. No lights on the dash at all. But customer states that he feels a pulse like an ABS when he's braking at a certain speed. So today we're gonna throw the scan tool on it, the Autel, and we're gonna hook it up to the speed sensors and see which one's defective. That way there I know what to look for. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a tone wheel, because that's usually what they are. They crack. It's gonna be on the axle, and usually they get rust jack. They'll swell a bit, crack, then gotta change the axle. So let me fire this thing up, get all the display on here, I'll show you, and then we'll go for a spin, see if we can't see anything. Give me 1 second. Okay, so what we have here is the graph of all four wheels, speed sensors. You see it right there, left front, left rear, right rear. It's at 0 right now because I'm standing still. So I'm gonna go for a spin up the hill and back, drive around a little bit, use the brakes a bit, and see if I can't find something abnormal. Oh, there's that blue one, doesn't look all that great right away. That blue one seems to be thrown off every once in a while. No, that's normal. I just turned around the corner. Okay. Can't really describe what's going on because I got to keep my eyes on the road. Oh, I'm seeing some drops there. Every time I have it boo over, looks like it might be that blue one again. She was saying, customer was saying that when they're braking, they can feel it kicking in. So we're going to do some brakes here, find a good spot where we can try some brakings and see if we can figure out which one it is. Go first, gonna go nice and light on the brake. I didn't feel anything that time. That time either. Not doing it whatsoever. Oh, there you go. Got to do it that time. Had to push a little harder on the brake, I guess. There you go. Got to do it that time. So let's have a boot here for a second. So I just pull over here. Let me turn that light off. You see the blue line is the one that's always off. There's a little bit of red here. Not too worried about that. It's the blue that I'm worried about that just keeps moving. Well, you can see it pretty good right here. All these drops. Only the blue doing all these drops. That's when I was hitting the brake, it was giving the pulses and stuff. This is the freeze frames. So I'm gonna go and have a boo at the blue line, which is left front, driver's front. We'll go back to the shop, have a look at that and see what's up. and I'll let you know what I find. So now we have her up in there. We're gonna have a view at this together. If you look right there, see that line? I'm gonna try to get some more light on it for you. A little tricky. Let me see here. Let me get my headlight right in there. Hold on. Now you can see it. See that big crack right there? Well, that's the tone wheel. If I turn the tire, see it move? And that's what does your speed. That's what calculates your speed. So anytime you have a pulse in the pedal with no lights on, that's usually the culprit right there. Bad tone ring somewheres. Usually if you get pulsing, it's that, or it could be a sensor rust jacked a little bit of rust under the sensor, but usually you get a code for that. When it pulses in the pedal, that's usually what it is almost every single time. Cracked tone wheel. So unfortunately, gonna need a new axle, and it's a couple days away, so I'll put a new axle in. Monday we'll go for a spin again and we'll check it out, and I'll show you that it's all cleared up and it's gonna brake properly, and that blue line should be nice and straight afterwards. So if this little video helped you out, give you a little bit of information, like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Appreciate it. Got about 18 subscribers left before I can go live on this stuff, so that'll be fun. We'll give it a shot. For now, I'm gonna let you go and follow for the next video. Have a great day.